A quick video to show you and to explain you about Capgo Skills. Basically, we realize in Capacitor world, there is many people don't understand everything. Like, I mean, it's pretty normal. There's so many things to know in native, in Android, in iOS, and blah, 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 in JavaScript. You do it so much that you need help. And we realize with AI now, AI like movement, MCP and skills are the most important things. So I already talked about the MCP in another video about CLI. Go to watch it if you want. But here I'm going to talk about skills. So basically in skills, we thought like, what are the difficult part? Okay, update capacitor. So we made skills for that. Other part like change, for example, from CocoaPods, which is going deprecated this year, to SPM. So we made a skill for that. Then you can just ask AI, hey, I want to switch to SPM. Can you do that for me? And it will do it. You just push it, done, bam. And on top of that, one of the most problematic things happening in the capacitor ecosystem is designing well a capacitor app. Many people are like saying like, oh, I don't like capacitor app because they don't look native, because people struggle to do that. It's not like they can't. I am making very beautiful apps. You can have a look to them in our organization in iOS or Google Play Store. So the thing is, how you do that is basically by pushing the design and to make it specific to mobile. And for that, we have skills that help you to design in this direction. We have also a lot of plugins helping you in this direction. Anything you miss, usually it's a Capgo plugin. If you miss one, just drop me an email in martin@capgo.app and we will add another plugin. We have 142 currently. We have for native navigation, look like liquid glass. We have like transitioning page. We have sheets opening. We try to make everything the most accessible possible and not tied to Angular like Ionic was doing, because we believe like most of people don't use Angular anymore. They use React, they use Vue, they use whatever. AI can use it if it's not tied to a certain library, and that's what we did for all of our plugins and libraries. If you never try Capgo, I recommend you to come and try. You don't need to pay Capgo to use the skills, but I'm sure you will enjoy the live update as well and the native build. See you on the other side.